Hello everyone! Today in English we will be working on pages 245 through 248. We are now at the end of the chapter, so we will be spending this week reviewing what we learned in our lesson. So what have we learned in chapter 11? We learned that an adjective is a word that describes a noun. And it can answer the question, what kind, by telling what a noun looks, smells, sounds, tastes, or feels like. So here are apples. Apples, they look red, sometimes green, yellow, and shiny, and round. It smells sweet, fresh, and fruity. And when you bite into it, you may hear the sounds such as crunch or crack. It tastes juicy, sweet, and sometimes sour, and it feels smooth, hard on the outside, but wet and soft on the inside. So adjectives can answer the question what kind by telling what a noun looks, smells, sounds, tastes, or feels like. Adjectives can also answer the question how many. Here we have a troll. How many trolls? One troll. So the word one is the adjective that answers the question how many. Here we have two trolls. How many trolls? Two trolls. So the word two is the adjective that answers the question how many trolls there are. Also notice how we added an S to the noun troll because there's more than one troll. Here we have exactly 9 trolls. Or instead of saying the exact number, you can also say several trolls, a couple of trolls, or many trolls. So adjective describes a noun and it can answer the question what kind and how many. And we also learned that some adjectives describe nouns by comparing persons, places, or things. The rule we learned was that we add ER to the adjective when comparing two nouns and add EST to the adjective when comparing more than two nouns. Here we have two snakes. So to the adjectives we add ER. ER. The green snake is shorter than the blue snake. The blue snake is longer than the green snake. The blue snake is darker than the green snake. We added ER to the adjectives. Now we have 3 snakes. And since we're comparing 3 snakes, we're going to add EST to our adjectives. The green snake is the shortest of all the snakes. The yellow snake is the longest of all the snakes. The blue snake is the darkest of all the snakes. We added EST to the adjectives. Now last week on Thursday, we learned about how finding colorful synonyms for your adjective will make your writing more interesting, and that it will also help us not to repeat the same adjectives in a story. In these sentences, the adjective used to describe all the underlined nouns is the word great. And that's not very creative and it's also very repetitive. Where can we go to find synonyms for this adjective? We go to the thesaurus to find the list of words that are same meaning, that has the same meaning or almost the same meaning. So let's go to thesaurus. If you go down the list to the word great, on the side you'll find all the synonyms for the word great: fantastic, grand, important, and wonderful. Let's go back to our sentences. So now these adjectives can be replaced with the synonyms wonderful, fantastic, and grand. The sentences are more creative and interesting to read. So today you're going to finish pages 245 all the way down to page 248. all of this is a review of what we learned in this chapter, and the instructions are very similar to the ones we did before. And so I think you can do these on your own. On Thursday, you're going to complete cumulative review and also write a paragraph using adjectives. So that's it for today. Until next time, goodbye everyone.